Hello, I am Jack and welcome to this video. Today I'm looking at the Canon 200D, the RØDE VideoMic Pro and the Joby SLR Zoom GorillaPod. This is episode number 5 of 2018, so let's just get straight into it. But first, this is quite a long episode, so if you want to skip to anything because you're here to look at the microphone or something like that, look at these bits and go to these times. It's fine, it's quite a long video, so go to wherever. So, coming up. Today might as well be Christmas because I'm opening some boxes. I got this from Amazon and today we're opening it. Things which take up less than half the box, but we've got the new RØDE. And the Joby SLR bullhead. Joby tripod SLR zoom bullhead. Why do they make stuff so difficult to get into? Nope, this is Canon EOS 200D. So this is the 50mm lens. There she is. The two lens bundle, so I've got the 50mm one and the 18 to 55mm. Tiny little battery, code, charger. Looks like the lens is the camera body. And of course, the strap for the camera. Whoa. So this is it. This is the first time ever using this camera. This is the first video made. I've got the RØDE plug-in. I'm on the Joby tripod. In fact, actually, I'll show you what I'm using. So this is it. I am plugged in. This is the first ever video, and I've got. Oh, just looks so good. Now that we've unboxed everything, let's go and try it all out and try and get some dope B-roll. It's incredibly windy out already, and so this is really testing the RØDE's microphone abilities to. It's got the windshield on. That's really being tested now. And on the clip as well, which doesn't make it very much easier. So this is the 50mm lens, and that's like an arm's stretch away from me, and it's so big that it's all zoomed in. Oh, Jesus Christ, it's windy. I don't know how this RØDE mic is keeping up in the wind. The camera just fell over, but it's cool. Alright, back to the other lens. And then this is what the 18 to 55mm lens looks like, so you've got a lot more space basically. This lens is also a macro lens, so I'm going to try and get some nice video, photos and just flowers that I see, because I don't know what else macros for. Let's try it out. And that's all on autofocus, it's managed to do that quite well. Right, so this is Albert Park, and right behind me you can see Prince Albert, so let me show you. Okay, this is how to ruin a good pair of black jeans. God knows how I used to do that as a kid. It's the end of winter, so like nothing growing at the moment, so I can't like go and find nice pretty flowers or anything to test this camera out on, so let's find something else. Meanwhile, look who's there. That's Prince Albert. Or the back of him anyway. That's on the 50mm, look how far that is. That's like 5 times the height of me. Let's have a go on this tree. Climbing. See whether that worked. Right. I've decided that Albert Park isn't as interesting as I thought it was, because it's basically the end of winter, and so it isn't spring, and so nothing is grown, and it's pretty boring. So I'm going to head down to the river and try and get some nice shots. It's really cloudy, so I don't know. I was going to go and try and get another sunset because I love sunsets, but it's a bit cloudy now and getting a bit late and a bit cold. So I'm just going to head down to the river and see what happens. So I'm down by the river and it's cold and really windy. I wonder how the microphone's doing, but here's some shots of water and some of the stuff around it. Oh, that's been a bit of a disappointment. The river's pretty boring as well, so heading back home on the fields. So content-wise, that was pretty rubbish. Wasn't really able to test the limits of the Canon, but we can see what the RØDE did because of the microphone and everything. See whether it kept up with the wind. And the tripod One of the legs snapped off at one point. Doesn't matter, it popped back in. But it managed to hold the weight of the camera most of the time, although it did fall over once. So pretty good on that note. Down by the lock in Abingdon, someone's been making like meerkats and rabbits and giraffes, and like there's a Winnie the Pooh and stuff, and it's like really cool. Here are some like photos and videos of like, I say like a lot. Oh, someone's shooting. Sheep! Sheep! Oh, it's really muddy. I don't wanna... There it is. I found a crocodile. Right. This was one of the first ones I think that went up. This is a crocodile down in the ditch. Gonna go across the weirs and then head home and look at what I managed to get today. So my hair is all over the place. It is so windy today. I don't even know if you can hear me. It's so windy. That's the River Thames in Abingdon actually. So loud! Jesus. Alright, I don't know how successful they were. I was trying to get some long shutter speed. I was trying to get some long shutter speed shots, basically, so that the water looked really like milky. So it basically takes longer to take the photo. So it sort of combines it all together. If you understand what I mean. I'm not sure how successful that was, because if it's a longer shutter speed, that means lots more lights coming in, and I'm not sure, I couldn't really tell while I was taking them how good they were. This is the true crest of the GorillaPod. I'm on a really thin branch here. I can easily put my fingers around, and it's still holding the camera with the Rode microphone on top of it really well, and that's been like that for ages and I haven't fallen at all. So I'm really impressed with that. Right, I'm really close up because I can't be bothered to change my lens. I'm stretching my arm out as much as possible. Nah, did drop it. I just tried to take some timer photos on the bridge. Those two photos I've just put. And with the small lens, the 50mm one, it's really hard to get in focus because it's meant for like really precise focusing, so it like blurs out the backgrounders, and so most of them are a bit blurry on me. But the other one worked a lot better because it has a higher depth of field, whereas the other one's a bit more of a shallow. So, alright, see you in a sec.
Bah.
Blimey, my shoes are filthy. Muddy, skateboard, filthy. Absolutely muddy. Covered in it. Ooh. Horrible. I wonder how this is doing. So I'm on the 50mm lens now, and it's auto-focusing, so it's tracking my face. I've got a little square box on me, and it seems to be doing doing quite well. There you go, close up. Further behind, it's about 3 meters in front of me, and it's still this close to me. Right, let's go and have a look at that footage. I'm so impressed, literally so impressed. This has been really good. This thing is my favourite out of everything I've looked at, so this is amazing. I mean, I got it to hold my camera with the RØDE microphone on a tree while it was taking photos of me on a timer, so it's pretty good. The microphone struggles, even though it's got that windshield on, struggles in the wind quite a bit still, but it's better than if I didn't have one at all, so I'm still pretty happy with that. It's better than all the audio I've had in the past. So that's it. After watching all of that footage, the Canon's done really, really well, and I'm really happy with it. I got this one, the 200D, because of its 60 frames per second, so I was able to use some of that slow-mo, slowing down the footage. So yeah, I'm really happy with that. If you like this video, make sure you go and like it below. If you want to see more, because obviously I've got a new camera, so you're going to see a load more of me using it and using it properly in the field and stuff, then make sure you go and hit subscribe and even press the notification button. You'll get a notification of when I next upload a video. So see you next Friday. Bye.